So let's begin this morning with the cold wave that continues to affect the belt of northern India. And it was a full-on fog morning. When I was driving to office this morning, you had to battle fog, even though it looks magical. But there are, of course, serious visibility issues as well. The entire northern region currently engulfed in a cold wave. And as the temperature that's been dipping, look at that. A complete blanket of fog. Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Delhi, Western Uttar Pradesh, parts of Madhya Pradesh as well have registered zero visibility. Now, Delhi experiencing the fifth consecutive day of a cold wave. The dense fog disrupting traffic, potentially impacting some flight operations. Delhi NCR area specifically experiencing visibility issues early this morning, which also means that flight operations are likely to be affected at Delhi's IGI airport, train services as such as well. The Indian Met Department has issued a yellow warning, which means dense to very dense fog that you need to expect in the next few days. And also a partly cloudy sky has been predicted by the Met Department. Let's take a look at this ground report sent in by my colleague Amit Bhardwaj.
Is the Akshardham temple lost somewhere in the very dense fog situation that has engulfed the national capital this morning. And this picture that you see on your screen is a telling story about the visibility conditions in Delhi NCR right now. The entire stretch of the national highway, Akshardham temple, everything is engulfed in this very dense fog situation. If you speak about the IGI airport, the visibility is 50 meters. On the runway, it's zero, which means that it is affecting the flight operations in the national capital right now. Any flight taking off from IGI Delhi or landing in Delhi is getting affected due to the fog situation which is prevailing in the national capital region. Importantly, the IMD has already issued yellow alert for Delhi, and today it has predicted moderate fog situation, but in the morning the visibility is really less, making it difficult for the commuters. So if you are on the roads right now, traveling somewhere in the national capital region, you need to be really cautious because of the reduced fog situation. With video journalist Jagannath, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today in Delhi.
So that was a report sent to us by Amit. He's joining me now live for the latest on that. Amit, has from the past 1 hour since you sent this report, has the situation improved? What is it looking like? Tell us about the visibility issues, information you have from airport, from the train stations. And I hope people around are taking caution driving through.
Good morning, Pooja. You know, the fog situation in the national capital has not improved, I would say, since we filed that report. I'm standing in the heart of the Delhi. You know, this is the Lutyens Delhi, and you can see what is the condition right now. Even in the Lutyens zone, there's a moderate fog situation, rather, you know, which has led to reduced visibility. And all this stretch, as the camera will pan, the entire circular road out here is, you know, sort of engulfed with the fog conditions that's prevailing all across the national capital. So even in the Lutyens zone, the visibility is reduced. And yes, people are definitely being cautious this morning because, you know, they do understand that this could lead into accident if you are not being cautious. As far as the airport is concerned, what we are given to understand that early in the morning, as the authorities had alerted, the visibility at IGI airport was 50 meters. On the runway, it was almost zero, which has led to affecting many of the takeoffs and landing of the flights. And even the trains are getting affected because of this, because this is not, the story is not just about Delhi, rather the entire North India is affected by the fog conditions. And it is affecting the route of the trains as well. Many of these trains, which was headed to the national capital, are running behind time. So definitely, while the winters and New Year festivities were there to enjoy for people, it's also that time of the year where really we need to be cautious if you are on the road.
All right.
Back to you.
So that is the beautiful winter warning though, but importantly, when you're driving, when you're on the road, be very cautious. It's a cold wave right now, dipping temperatures. Whether it's Rajasthan, Punjab, Delhi, you can see the fog conditions prevailing right now over the northern belt of the country. Amit, thank you very much for bringing us this report.